Hey, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to do wiper blade replacement on my HHR. I almost didn't want to make this video because it's so easy, but I can't remember how I do them every 2 years, so I make a video to help remind myself how they're done. And I'm going to go ahead and open the wiper blades up here. I got my 2 blades and a towel. I'll show you what that's for in a bit. Blades seem to be the same size. I always check that because sometimes one blade is longer than another. Not on this car though. Anyway, I'm making a few videos. Well, not making a few videos, I'm making fewer videos because of the I've been going to see a doctor and my lung capacity is like 45%, they say, so that's why I'm huffing and puffing. And that's why I'm not putting out videos like I used to, but I ain't going away, so not planning on it. I got a few more things I want to do to this old beast with 335,000 or 334,000, I'm not sure. It's been a good car so far. So let me open these up and show you how I do these wiper blades. Okay, very simply, I just press the 2 sides of this plastic cover here and then pull up like that, and then this wiper arm, hang on, if the camera won't fall, lift up on the wiper arm and slide back like that, and then here's where the paper towel comes in handy. This arm's got some tension on it and it will slam and hit that window, and guess what? Safe light. So you just slide this off like that, and then you take a new one and gotta get the cover open here. There we go. Very simply slide through like this, and I don't know if you can see it, hook it under, pull it till it clicks. You can feel that. Push that down, snaps. There you go, there's one. Worked up a sweat. Okay, now I'll go to the other one. Maybe you can see that one too, I don't know. I forgot one thing. These things come with a protective coating on them. They're a little blue strip. I pulled it out at the end there. It just slides off the blade. Like that. Set the blade back down. This one's just like the other one, except you got to reach in a little further. And it's there. Struggling a little bit with that one. It helps if you wash your window first, but it's not necessary. Okay, same as the other one. Got your little flap goodie up, squeeze in, lift up. Slide it in. Feel it snap. This time I'll take the little thing off, cover, snap that back down, and we're good to go for another year, maybe 2. And I'll have to remind myself on how I do it again. So anyway, there's some wiper blades for the HHR. And I hope yours are similar to this. If they're not, I will tell you that the blades I got come with a little installation guide. I'll put a link in the description where I got these, or maybe even in the video, and make sure you get some that fit your car. And maybe your car will even have similar blades. They've gone to using this style a lot to make it easier. I know my Pilot was a 2014 and it's like this. So good luck and thanks for watching, everyone. Hope all your repairs go well, and I'll be making more videos, just not as often. So bye for now.